Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix HyperX Cloud 3 mic not working. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video. If your HyperX Cloud 3 mic not working, then here you will see. People provide their opinion and solution regarding this. When people says that, just got mine today and initially had this issue as well, but after doing a mic test with playback audio, I realized that it was only on Discord as it sounded good in the mic test. I managed to fix it in Discord through turning off automatically determine input sensitivity in voice and video settings, then putting the slider at 70 dB could be different for you. Test different levels with someone in VC. Also in Windows sound settings, put mic format to 32,000 Hz for generally better mic quality. Hope this helps. And here in the down people says that this is work great. So we need to consider this thing. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.